Do please come and visit the DentalWorld Expo next year. It is a magical event this year and I think you'll enjoy it enormously. Certainly, thank you. My name's Dr. Andrew Prynne. I'm a dentist in the UK and I'm here at the exhibition to represent the Dental High-Tech Academy in France on behalf of WebDent here in Budapest. And I am here to discuss the concept of intraosseous anesthesia, which is a game-changing system whereby we can completely negate all of the problems associated with traditional dental anesthesia. So it is an absolutely magical system that I've been using now in my practice for 12 years. I certainly love coming here to Budapest to the DentalWorld event and I must say it is full of many different stands with incredibly modern equipment, and I would recommend to any dentist in Hungary and indeed in this part of Europe to come and visit this on subsequent years. It's been a great pleasure. Do please come and visit the DentalWorld Expo next year. It is a magical event this year and I think you'll enjoy it enormously. You'll get a lot of information and a lot of friendly people here to help you.